Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, and I'm so happy to share with you today my mystery box for March. Now, my mystery crafting box, this is actually the second one I've ever done, is a little bit different from my regular classes and my stamp club. So, let me show you a little bit about what it entails and whether this would be a good fit for you. I think you would have a lot of fun with it. So, I launched this last December, was my very first one, and this is the way it came. So, it was in this really cute little box, has a label on it, and the mystery is you don't know ahead of time what's going to be in here. Now, I give you some clues, but typically I show you all the projects ahead of time. And with the mystery, I don't show you the projects or even the products that you're going to get, although I give you a lot of hints. So when I did this one in December, I featured the Warmest Heart bundle, and it had these gorgeous dies and really cute stamps, and everything revolved around that. Now, I will tell you, I have one box left. If anybody's interested, you can let me know. So, the reason I do is because anytime I have an odd number of registrants, I'm going to cut in even numbers. It just makes my life a whole lot simpler. And I typically will cut at least one extra packet of anything I'm doing just in case. Just in case I've messed up registration or somebody's missing something, then I have it all ready to go. So let me show you what happened when you opened this box. So this was packed full of a lot of fun things in some pretty little tissue paper because it was December. And inside there are gifts for you. So that's the spoiling part. And I have three gifts in my new crafting box, crafting mystery craft box. And I had three in my first one. So let me show you what the gifts were, and then you can see what the projects and the process was. So because this was December and my whole theme was sending care, this was really designed to send things for those who are ill, those who need encouragement, those who need a little pick me up. So I had these cute little fuzzy socks, who can't always use some fuzzy socks, packaged really cute with some of the things that were featured in the box so that, it kind of gives you more ideas. Now, for these, obviously the socks you had to purchase, but I did include PDF tutorial to also show you how to make the packaging and things that I did for your little gifties. So I did have a little Kit Kat bar because, yeah, need a little chocolate while you're creating. And then I also had this little box, and inside here there is a shower steamer. So it's all sealed up. But a shower steamer is something you put down the bottom of your shower, and it gives all this beautiful, beautiful fragrance and a little bit of essential oil. And again, that was just a spoiling gift for you so that while you're creating things to uplift and encourage those who might be hurting in your world, that you had something to kind of pick you up as well. So it did include a full roll of the herringbone ribbon. It included these gorgeous blooming pearls. It included these sequins. And then it also has all of the project packets ready to go. You do have your PDF tutorial link here on the QR code. And then everything is prepped and ready to go in here, including some designer series paper, which was the one thing that you were going to cut for the class. So let me show you what we made last time. That will give you a little bit of an indicator as to what's included or what you're going to be making in my March mystery craft box, because it is a mystery. And that's part of the fun, is because my aim is to bring you surprise and delight with a really, really cool box that is packed full of value and versatility and variety. That's what I like to deliver in my classes and clubs and projects. So let me start with the cards, and then we'll get into 3D. So I had a little get well soon that was just a sweet little card to send. I had this one, which was just a just kind of an appreciation encouragement card that could easily go for the guys. I had this one, another, get well. The other thing I like to do is really show you different ways to use things. And then this was well, it's kind of mashed down now because it's been in my box, but this was a little faux shaker card that we did. And then we also had three 3D items. So this is actually, these are lollipop throat lozenges. And I thought they were so fun. And I did send links so that people could purchase these if they wanted to. So that was one of our 3D projects. This is great for kids, but honestly, this is great for anybody of any age. And that was kind of what I was reaching for with my sending care. Now, this was a little magnetic bookmark because what are you doing if you're recovering from surgery or you have like a long illness you're recovering from? You need a book of some kind. And so this was my little magnetic bookmark. And then this I've kind of undone. So this was tied. But inside here are two packets of the vitamin C packets. So these are great for when it's allergy season, when you have a cold or the flu or anything like that. Just a little pick me up. So all of that was included. Here's the paper that was included as well in my December sending care mystery craft box. So I'm launching today my March mystery craft box. Can't tell you what's in it, but I will tell you it is centered around a brand new bundle that will be going live on March the 5th. Now, this bundle, if you don't have it, you can substitute other things for the projects. But if you want to have this, you can add it on, and I do give it to you at cost. What does that mean? It means that I pay your tax and shipping for you. Now, if you're a demonstrator, you're going to probably want to buy this with your own discount, and you may have already purchased it because demonstrators got a full month of pre-order on this item. Now, one little caveat. If these items that I'm including in my mystery box go on an unorderable status, they sell out. What I'm going to do is one of two things. If they're going to come back very quickly, I will delay the box a little bit. If they're going to be a while, I'm going to substitute the best I can. So we will hope that it doesn't sell out. I can tell you that this bundle and the suite that goes with it have been wildly popular with demonstrators. Like I said, we had a month to pre-order this. It actually sold out within, I think, about the first 10 days, but it came back very quickly. So I think Stampin' Up! is cognizant of the fact that this is going to be enormously popular, which is one of the reasons that I chose it for my mystery craft box. But not just because of its popularity. I'm a coffee lover. Iconic images that have a lot of versatility, and they're just, yeah, they're awesome. So lots of fun projects ready to go for you. And you do get full color PDF tutorials sent to you via email. And then, like I said, you also get it on your little project packet. You get a QR code so that if you can't find the email, maybe you are, not at your computer or can't get into your inbox easily, you can just you can just put that little QR code on your phone and it will open up all your PDF tutorials. I have them in one spot for you. So I hope that you will consider my March mystery craft box. A whole lot of love. And thanks so much for your consideration. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Take care and God bless.